Baltazarium Land Rover. From rust to shiny dust. The Discovery arrived at Baltazarium on a tired tow truck, its red paint dulled by years of sun and rain, its frame whispering stories in flakes of rust. A 1998 Land Rover Discovery 300 TDI, once a king of mud and mountains, now sat silent, wounded, and forgotten. Most people saw a wreck. Baltazarium saw a beginning. Bolts fought back, rust bit hard, and every panel removed revealed another scar. The chassis was stripped to bare metal, cleaned, welded, strengthened. The 300 TDI engine, stubborn but honest, was torn down, cleaned, and rebuilt with patience rather than haste. No shortcuts. These engines remembered when you respected them. Days turned into nights. Grease-stained hands learned every inch of the Discovery's bones. Suspension renewed, axles refreshed, wiring untangled like old memories. What once crumbled now stood firm. Then came the transformation. Fresh paint caught the light. New seals silenced old leaks. The engine fired up, not loud, not angry, but confident, like it knew it was home again. Rust had become shiny dust on the workshop floor. When the Discovery finally rolled out under its own power, it wasn't just restored, it was reborn. Not a showroom queen, but a machine ready to earn new scars, new trails, and new stories. At Baltazarium, this was never just about fixing an old Land Rover. It was about honoring what it was built to be, and proving that with enough care, even rust can become history. The journey began in 2023 and is set to be completed in 2026, taking the time it deserves. Every step of the process is being carefully documented, from the first rusted bolt to the final rebuilt component. A dedicated YouTube playlist follows the entire transformation, showing a complete no-shortcuts rebuild of a 1998 Land Rover Discovery 300 TDI, so nothing is hidden and every lesson is shared. What started as a forgotten vehicle is becoming a long-term record of patience, craftsmanship, and respect for a machine that was built to last. Please subscribe to our channel and share our content. Thank you.